Linda here. Today we are going to show you an example of a video we made using this powerful and fun AI tool, using all voiceover scenes. When using this method, you can save lots of credits. You can get started making videos like this one for free. Just click the link in the description. Also, if you want to learn how to use this amazing AI tool, click on the video link at the end.
Hi! Welcome to our rental shop. Thanks for making a reservation. Let us know if you would like something to drink. We have many cool and well-maintained motorbikes to choose from. Sometimes we get pretty busy, so it's good that you made a reservation. You can select from any of the motorbikes here and pick any helmet you like. There's a mirror over there.
I think I will take this scooter. It looks great, and it matches my outfit. This is the perfect helmet for me. I'm glad you have so many to choose from. And I love the clean cover you placed inside.
These are my little helpers. They will help you with the contract, and then I can show you how to operate your motorbike. I'll get your motorbike ready for you and make sure everything is just right.
Okay. That sounds great. Thanks. I feel so taken care of here. Thanks also for teaching me how to ride. I feel pretty confident now and am so excited. You are very welcome. It was fun teaching you. Your motorbike is ready. If you need anything, please contact us, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks very much. See ya. I definitely found my freedom.
Okay, guys, let's get ready for our next customer. Let's make sure the helmets are clean and the little pads we place inside them have been washed and dried. Don't forget to check the motorbikes, the brakes, the mirrors, the tires. Make sure everything is in good condition. We want our customers to have a wonderful experience. Okay, this one is clean and ready for our next customer. Hey, thanks for watching this video. We'll be making more videos about our service and also about all the fun adventures you can experience here on our awesome motorbikes. So, be sure to subscribe and ring the little bell, and we'll let you know every time we post a new fun video. Thanks, guys, for doing such a great job. Our customers love you guys. You are amazing. We hope to see you soon. Happy travel adventures!